NDepend lets you query the codebase with C#LINQ queries thanks to Code Query Link, or CQLinq. NDepend sees code as data to query. Let's create a new code query to list complex methods. From M in Methods, where m.complexity is greater than, let's say, 30, select M. 47 complex methods are matched. By double-clicking a matched method, we can jump to source code. Indeed, here is a fairly complex method. To transform our query into a rule, we just need to add the warn-if prefix. As a consequence, each complex method is now a code smell to fix. Most NDepend features rely on code querying. For example, to generate a call graph of our complex method, just right-click, NDepend, select methods that are using it directly or indirectly. 15 methods are matched with a maximum call graph depth of 6. Just click the button, Export to Graph, and voila! We get a call graph that can be browsed. To get started with CQLinq, you can read the source code of the default rules available. For example, let's have a glance at the source code of the rule, base class should not use derivatives. The heart of the rule is this fluent code, base class dot derived types used by base class. To get started with CQLinq right now, you can use the Search by Criteria panel because this panel is actually a code query generator. For example, we can search type by name, and then click the Edit Query button to edit the query generated. Many criteria are available. You can search type by name, size, complexity, coupling, popularity, visibility, mutability, coverage, change, or coverage of changes. By combining various CQLinq capabilities, we can obtain quite powerful queries. For example, by combining coverage by tests with changes since baseline, we can list types added or refactored since the baseline that are not fully covered by tests. The last example of common CQLinq usage is when you want to dig into a value on the dashboard, like this 100 rules violated value. A query is generated, and it lists violated rules with quite a few details for each row. Finally, let's mention that CQLinq API can be used from your own C# program through the NDepend.api. You can have a look at the NDepend Power Tools open source to see how it is used. In this video, we've seen what code querying is and how this unique capability is used by most NDepend features.